Hello, Carter here. Today I will be going over tables within 2 minutes. Let's get right to it. Tables, a data structure you'll use quite often. They're extremely useful. You basically cannot script without them. Tables are essentially used to hold values, similar to lists or dictionaries. They also have their own functions, modification methods, and otherwise branch off into quite a dynamic part of ROBLOX scripting. A table is declared the same way you declare a variable, locally or globally. They also have the identifier /name, and lastly the curly brackets to finish off. This here is an empty table. It's useless for now. Let's make a useful table. Here we have alphabet. It holds 3 values, A, B, and C. Now, this table has no explicit keys. Instead we would access it using numbers, like so. The table's name /identifier, brackets, and inside of the brackets, we put the number that represents the position in the table of the value you're trying to access. Added note, all elements or values in a table are separated with a comma. Unlike some languages, here, a table's initial index would be 1 as opposed to 0, so A would be 1, B2, C3, and so on. Now here's a key value table, a table with explicit keys that represent the position or index of a value. I think this is quite self-explanatory. The key is essentially just any string within brackets, although you could also remove the brackets and quotation marks, and the key would essentially be the same. Here's how we would access these values, the same, but the string in place of the number. Once again, we don't need the brackets or quotations. Tables can also hold other tables. We call these nested tables, or even functions. Here is how you can access and call a function as well as a nested table's value. Not too complex, is it? Anyways, the next video will be about functions. Bye.